incomplete packages and we want to see how we can make them whole? Let's read the activity to learn exactly what we are asked about. We know from the activity that your little brother has 5 packages of persimmons. He opened each package to give some from each to every family members, trying to find the ones that had the best taste. The 5 fractions shown here, it's the remaining pieces of fruit in each package. The first package has 3/4, as you see here, and it's left. The second, it's 2/4. The third, 1/4. The next one is 3/4. And the last one, it's 2/4. Which means half of the package. We want to use this information to answer the following questions. The first question is, if you were to repackage the remaining pieces of fruit to create full packages of persimmons, how many packages of persimmons would remain? We have fractions that we can choose from. My students found the correct answer. Some of them thought about adding these fractions. And the total is, let's see together. If you add them together, it gets you exactly. So 11 over 4, or 11/4. Good job. They noticed that this is an improper fraction, right? So you have to convert it to make its number. Exactly. So it will be 2 3/4. Another group of my students used their understanding of fractions and added the fractions that make one package, like 3/4 and 1/4. Both of them, it makes one package, right? Because it becomes 4/4. And 2/4 and 2/4, it gives me another package, right? So now we have 2 packages. And the 3/4, it's left. So we have also the same answer, 2 3/4. So it's your turn to think of the answer to question B. Since there are 4 persimmons pieces in each of the 5 packages your brother opened, how many packages did he eat? I'll give you time to think of the answer and we will answer it together when we get back. We can also answer this question in more than one way. One might think of the fact that the packages are 5. And in the previous question, we found that the remaining packages are 2 3/4. So we can subtract the number of the remaining packages, which is 2 3/4, from the number of the packages, which is 5. So 5 minus 2 3/4. Some might count the eaten amount in each package and then add them. We will reach the same answer of 2 1/4. The first package is 3/4. So 1/4 was eaten. So we can write here that if I have 3/4, it means how many is eaten? It's 1/4, exactly, or 1/4. What's left in the second package? 2/4, exactly. So the one that it was eaten is exactly, it's 2/4. What about the third one? 1/4. So how many exactly? was eaten, it's 3/4. And 3/4, it means 1/4 was eaten. And the last one, 2/4, it means exactly 2/4 was eaten. Let's add the parts eaten. 1/4 plus 2/4 plus 3/4 plus 1/4 plus 2/4. So the sum is 2 packages and 1/4, which is the same, right? So now we have 2 methods. You can subtract from 5. The remaining 1, you can subtract it from 5, as we said, or you're going to find the eaten parts and then add them together. Both are correct. The same situation repeated in the activity titled Sister and Cutting Fruits. Your sister and 3 of her friends have 4 packages of bananas. Each package contains 8 identical fruits. Each of them took a number of fruits to make some banana pudding. We have the remaining part of each banana package, and we are asked the same 2 questions as well. If you were to regroup the bananas into full package, how many full packages could be made from the remaining bananas? How many packages were used? We could use the same method of adding the remaining bananas together to get 17/8 exactly. It's equivalent to the mixed number of 2 and 1/8. That means we can find the amount she used using subtraction. 4 minus 2 and 1/8 equal 1 7/8 of a package. We can find the same answer by finding the used amount for every package and then adding them together. We will continue with the same idea in the activity titled Brother and Fruit Snack. We know that your brother decided to try a new snack that required some persimmons and bananas. The table shown here remained of the full packages once he finished making the snack. We are asked to make the most amounts of fruit bags with the remaining fruit and think about making a complete package for each type of fruit. If possible, since we want to see whether we can make complete packages from the first type of fruit or not, let's first find the amount of each fruit separately for persimmons. We will add 3/4 and 2/4. It gets us 1 and 1/4. We can make one complete package of persimmons, and we will have 1/4 remaining. For bananas, we will add 3/8 and 2/8 and 5/8 to get one complete package of bananas and 1/4 of a package. So 1 and 1/4 as well. We can now add the remaining 2/4 of bananas. So it's 1/2/8. It means that it equals 1/1/4, right? So we can now add the remaining together. It gives us 2.5 or 1/2. We have 2 complete packages and a half. Did you notice that in this activity the kinds of fruit are distributed differently? The package of persimmons had 4 pieces, while the package of bananas had 8. Unlike the previous problem, where the packages had an equal amount of fruit, this is the same idea of the activity titled Family and Fruit.
تقدر تتابع كل دروسك على تطبيق مدرستنا بلس. مدرستنا، المستقبل يبدأ الآن.